Then next. What was it? Starting Shuklam Bharata? I forgot. Starting Shuklam Bharata. Vakratunda. Vakratunda Mahakaya Surya Kodi Samaprabha Nirvignam Kurume Deva Sarva Karyeshtu Sarvada Saraswati Namastubhyam Arade Kamarupini Vidyarambam Karishyami Siddhar Bhavati Me Sada Gurur Brahma Gurur Vishnu Gurur Devo Maheshwara Guru Sakshat Param Brahma Tasmai Shri Gurave Namaha Om Sahana Bhavatu Sahana Bhunaktu Saha Viryam Karavavahe Tejasvinavadhitamastu Ma Vidvishavahe Om Shanti Shanti Shanti.
पठामि संस्कृतं नित्यं वदामि संस्कृतं सदा ध्यायामि संस्कृतं सम्यक् वन्दे संस्कृतमातरं संस्कृतस्य प्रसाराय नैजं सर्वं ददाम्यहं संस्कृतस्य सदा भक्तो वन्दे संस्कृतमातरं संस्कृतस्य कृते जीवन संस्कृतस्य कृते यजन् आत्मानम् आहुतं मन्ये वन्दे संस्कृतमातरम् गुरुरेव गतिर्गुरुमेव भजे गुरुनैव सहास्मि नमो गुरवे न गुरोः परमं शिशुरस्मि गुरोः मतिरस्ति गुरौ मम पाहि गुरो येनाक्षरसमाम्नाय मधिगम्य महेश्वरात् कृत्स्नं व्याकरणं प्रोक्तं तस्मै पाणिनये नमः येन धौता गिरः पुंसां विमलैः शब्दवारिभिः तमश्चाज्ञानजं भिन्नं तस्मै पाणिनये नमः अज्ञानान्धस्य लोकस्य ज्ञानाञ्जनशलाकया चक्षुरुन्मीलितं येन तस्मै पाणिनये नमः वाक्यकारं वररुचिं भाष्यकारं पतञ्जलिं पाणिनिं सूत्रकारं च प्रणतोऽस्मि मुनित्रयम्।
धन्यवादाः। अत्र पश्यतु एनाक्षरसमाम्नायम् अधिगम्य महेश्वरात् अक्षरसमाम्नायं महेश्वरात् अधिगम्य येन कृत्स्नं व्याकरणं प्रोक्तं तस्मै पाणिनये नमः। अधिगम्य इति तत्र प्राप्य इति अपि अर्थं कर्तुं शक्यते। अधिगम्य अथवा अवगम्य आल्सो, दट् आल्सो लर्निंग फ्रॉम Shiva himself, direct from the Adi Guru. Adigamya अथवा प्राप्त्वा, he got all this, that nrittavasane, that when the danced, and then 14 times that he played the dhamaru. From that the 14
Maheshwara Sutra
came. So Patanjali tani svikritya Patanjali Sutrani लिखितवान् इति तस्य अर्थः। एनाक्षर समाम्नायम् अधिगम्य अस्तु वा। इदानीं गतकक्षायां किमपि कृतवन्तः न तस्य
भगवद्गीता
इदानीम् अनन्तरं भगवद्गीताश्लोकः एव कृतवन्तः इति न पश्यामः। अनन्तरं समयः अस्ति चेत् प्रश्नस्य उत्तराणि पश्यामः। दृश्यते न इदानीं? स्लैड् शो कियत् पर्यन्तम्? इदानीम् आगच्छति एकनिमिषम्।
This we have done is last week.
अत्रैव स्थगितवन्तः वा?
No.
अस्तु,
we had just started this.
सुशीला महोदय, भवती एकवारं पठतु।
श्रूयते वा महोदय? एते सत्पुरुषाः परार्थघटकाः स्वार्थान् परित्यज्य ये सामान्याः तु परार्थम् उद्यम्य भृतः स्वार्थ अविरोधेन ये ते अमि मानुषराक्षसाः परहितं स्वार्थाय निघ्नन्ति ये तु घ्नन्ति निरर्थकं परहितं ते के न जानीमहे।
अत्र स्थगितवन्तः। अत्र अर्थं दृष्टवन्तः वयं। ओवराल् मीनिङ्ग् वी हेड् सीन्। अतः व्याकरणांशः पश्यामः। सर्वं दर्शयामि स्क्रीन् मध्ये। पठतु सुशील वीणा महोदय भवती पठतु।
व्याकरणांशाः and प्रतिपदार्थः सत्पुरुषाः परार्थघटकाः सामान्याः मानुषराक्षसाः अकारान्त पुल्लिङ्ग शब्दः प्रथमा पुरुष बहुवचन।
अत्र प्रातिपदमपि वदतु। सत्पुरुष
ओके सत्पुरुषाः अकारान्त
न इदानीं सर्वम् अन्य सर्वं तत्र पठितवती किल। सत्पुरुष शब्द परार्थघटक शब्द सामान्य शब्द
मानुष
इदानीं
राक्षसः
वयं जानीमः किं किं तत्र आगच्छति इति। प्रथमम् अन्तः किल। अन्तः कः, देन् लिङ्गः कः, अनन्तरं प्रातिपदिकम्, अनन्तरं विभक्ति, अनन्तरं वचनं। द 5 काम्पोनेण्ट्स्। अतः अकारान्तः इति उक्तं तत्र पुल्लिङ्ग उक्तं। दट् मिडिल् वन् ओन्लि दट् प्रातिपदिकमेव मिस्सिङ्ग्। अतः तदेव वदतु। अतः पुनरेकवारं वदतु। सत्पुरुष प्रथम पुरुष न एतत् सर्वं पठितं किल। That is common for everything.
Okay, so I'll go to next one.
परार्थघटक
सामान्यः
सामान्य
सामान्य
वदामः
शब्दः
विसर्गं न वदनीयं।
सामान्य and मानुष राक्षस।
अनन्तरं
प्रथमं is अकारान्त नपुंसकलिङ्ग परार्थं परार्थ शब्दः।
परार्थं सर्वं पठतु। परार्थं पश्यतु।
परहितं
नपुंसकलिङ्गे द्विवचने 3 पदानि सन्ति। अतः सर्वं तत्र दत्तमस्ति। परार्थं
परहितं निरर्थकं अकारान्त नपुंसकलिङ्ग द्वितीया विभक्ति एकवचन।
परार्थं
अकारान्त नपुंसकलिङ्ग परार्थ शब्दः। परहितं अकारान्त नपुंसकलिङ्ग परहित शब्दः। निरर्थकं इस् अकारान्त नपुंसकलिङ्ग निरर्थक शब्दः। सर्वे द्वितीया विभक्ति एकवचन। स्वार्थान् अकारान्त पुल्लिङ्ग स्वार्थ शब्दः द्वितीया विभक्ति बहुवचन। ये ते दकारान्त पुल्लिङ्ग प्रथमा विभक्ति बहुवचन। ये इस् दकारान्त पुल्लिङ्ग यद् शब्दः। ते इस् दकारान्त पुल्लिङ्ग तद् शब्दः। and के इस् मकारान्त पुल्लिङ्ग किं शब्दः प्रथमा विभक्ति बहुवचन। यः इस् दकारान्त पुल्लिङ्ग यद् शब्दः प्रथमा विभक्ति एकवचन। एते इस् दकारान्त पुल्लिङ्ग एतद् शब्दः प्रथमा विभक्ति एकवचन।
अत्र पश्यतु। एते यः के एते एतत् सर्वं स्पष्टम् अवगमन अभवत् किल। स्पष्टं जानन्ति किल सर्वे। वेरी क्लियर् विच् इस् यत् शब्दं यस् इस् तत् शब्दं एतत् शब्दं विच् इस् किं शब्दं all that you should be very clear in your mind. पठतु उद्यमभृतः
उद्यमभृतः तकारान्त पुल्लिङ्ग उद्यमभृत उद्यमभृत् शब्दः प्रथमा विभक्ति बहुवचन
उद्यमभृत् शब्दः
सर्वार्थविरोधेन
स्वार्थाविरोधेन
अकारान्त पुल्लिङ्ग that is covered. I think
Svartha virodha
अकारान्त पुल्लिङ्ग स्वार्था विरोध शब्दः तृतीया विभक्ति एकवचन अमी सकारान्त पुल्लिङ्ग अदस् शब्दः प्रथमा विभक्ति बहुवचन
अत्र पश्यतु अदस्
अदस्
so all this these pronouns you should know yad tad yat then etad adas sarvam I think you can do a grihe eva punarekvaram patantu samyak because in this you have so many of those words so you just go through the shabdas all the vibhaktis
okay and swarthaya is akaranta pullinga swartha shabdah chaturthi vibhakti ekavachana janimahe is the kriyapadam ज्ञा धातु आकारान्त
no
आत्मनेपदे लट् लकार उत्तम पुरुष बहुवचन
वयं जानीमहे
आत्मनेपदे
वयं किं कुर्मः अग्रिमकक्षायां धातुपाठं किमपि अस्तु वा एतत् सर्वं पठामः I will inform you beforehand so you also keep your dhatu manjari in hand and some selected shabdas we will go full next class will be that okay
especially this yat tad will be helpful other things we can this yat tad and others I think these will be
so next week I will also keep the dhatu pata in front you also keep it in front यत्र कुत्र क्लेशः आगच्छति पुस्तकम् अस्ति चेत् लाभाय भवति किल पुस्तकम् अस्ति वा you all
I have it at there anyway I will look at it from the Google
okay
so
I will also look for it
that's so keep that thing ready if you have this ashtadhyay you keep that ready and then we will go over. I think I brought my dhatu pata with me because half the books I have not brought here. That is a big problem. एकः श्लोकः अस्ति संस्कृते पुस्तकस्तातु या विद्या परहस्तगतं धनं कार्यकाले समुत्पन्नेन सा विद्या न तद्धनं सर्वं पुस्तके अस्ति परन्तु मस्तके न अस्ति किल कार्यकाले समुत्पन्ने इदानीं हमारा कार्यम् आगतं परन्तु इदानीं न सा विद्या न तद्धनम् अतः तदेव भवति भवत्याः अपि मम अपि सा एव समस्या भवति अस्तु अस्तु that is how it is next week we will be a little more prepared last patatu
anna parityajya tu aravyayam
इतोपि किम् अस्ति वा इति व्याकरणं इतोपि किम् इदानीं भवती पठतु एकमेव अस्ति वीणा महोदय भवती you finish that
nignanti and gnanti again kriyapada han dhatuh lat lakara parasmaipadi prathama purusha bahuvachana
अस्तु इदानीं प्रतिपदार्थः सुशीला महोदय भवती पठतु
प्रतिपदार्थः
सत्पुरुषाः दृश्यते वा न दृश्यते वा
दृश्यते महोदय
न मन्ये इंटरनेट has gone सुशीला महोदय
जनाः अन्येषां दृश्यते महोदय
दृश्यते भवतः ध्वनि न श्रूयते I think your internet is intermittent there is some problem पठतु पठतु परित्यज्य भवत्याः
we
इंटरनेट सुशीला
can't
महोदय
hear. हाँ.
आय निष्कस्य निष्कृतमानुषाः परार्थम् अन्येषां कृते उद्यमभृतः कार्यं कुर्वत जनाः. भ प्लस तम महोदय, व्हाट डज दैट मीन?
इत्त
प्रत्यय
उद्यमभृतः कार्यं
इत्त प्रत्यय. स्वार्थ अविरोधेन
कार्यं कुर्वन्तः इति भवेत् इति अहं मन्ये.
कुर्वन् जनाः
जनाः बहुवचनं किल.
जनाः बहुवचनं.
उत्तमभृतौ उत्तमभृतः नकारान्तः पुल्लिङ्गः, प्रथमा बहुवचनम् अत्र. तस्य अर्थः इति ये जनाः कार्यं तादृशाः जनाः इति अर्थम्. अत्र शत्रुप्रत्ययः तदपि प्रथमा विभक्त्यां बहुवचने भवितव्यं. जनाः इति बहुवचनं किल. कुर्वन् अपि बहुवचने भवितव्यं. तत्र इत्तप्रत्ययम् उत्तमम्.
स्वार्थ अविरोधेन स्वकार्यस्य परिबाधनं विना मानुषराक्षसाः मनुष्यरूपेण असुराः. I can't read that. दुष्टजनाः निघ्नन्ति घ्नन्ति नाशयन्ति. सेम् थिङ्ग्. परहितम् अन्येषां प्रयोजनम्.
अन्योषाम् इति दत्तमस्ति तत्र.
अन्योषाम्. ओके. स्वार्थाय
स्वकार्यकारणेन स्वस्य अर्थाय.
I have to write that, no? अन्येषां.
Yeah, please write that. कार्यं कुर्वन् जनाः अपि लिखतु, बिकास् कार्यं कुर्वन्तः जनाः इति भवति तत्र भवितव्यम् इति मन्ये. अस्तु वा? तदपि कार्यं
I will write कार्यं dash so that you can write.
that कुर्वन् कार्यं कुर्वन् इति लिखतु. अहं जानामि.
जानीमहे अवगच्छामः निरर्थकं प्रयोजनं विना.
निः अर्थकं निरर्थकम्. अस्तु. अत्र जानीमहे अवगच्छामः इति भवति. अवगम्यते इति वदामः. दट् इस् गच्छ गम् धातु, परन्तु अव इति उपसर्गं भवति चेत् तस्य अर्थः एव भिन्नः भवति. अतः अवगमनम्, अण्डर्स्टाण्डिङ्ग् तादृश अर्थः भवति तत्र. अस्तु वा? इदानीं पूर्णश्लोकं दर्शयामि. वीणा महोदय, भवती आकाङ्क्षाक्रमेण फार् 1/2 यू डू द आकाङ्क्षाक्रमेण अन्वयं. सेकेण्ड् हाफ् शी विल् डू.
I will do for the first half or second half? First half.
You start with the beginning, no? And anyway, you just अत्र प्रथमं पठतु क्रियापदं.
क्रियापदं जानीमहे निघ्नन्ति and घ्नन्ति. प्रथमा विभक्ति एते सत्पुरुषाः परार्थघटकाः ये सामान्याः उद्यमभृतः ये ते अमी मानुष राक्षसाः ये and ये. द्वितीया विभक्ति स्वार्थान् परहितं परार्थम् अनिरर्थकम्. तृतीया is स्वार्था विरोधेन. चतुर्थी षष्ठी स्वार्थाय अव्ययं परित्यज्य तु अन्न.
चतुर्थी षष्ठी इति
चतुर्थी षष्ठी
चतुर्थी only, no?
तदपि चतुर्थी एव. भवती लिखतु सुशीला महोदय. Look at it, why they have put it as well. सुशीला महोदय, भवती प्रयत्नं
एकनिमिषं.
न वीणा महोदय first 2 lines letter try to say,
Okay.
and then Shishla Mahodaya.
Okay. एते सत्पुरुषाः परार्थघटकाः स्वार्थान् परित्यज्य ये सामान्याः तु परार्थमुद्यमभृतः स्वार्थ अविरोधेन ये.
It is a difficult to, it is bit
Yeah, I
difficult
think
to
the
this thing.
Kriyapadam only the third line it is.
Yeah. So anyway, you try with Jani Mahe. You try with the Jani Mahe.
Janimahe,
Anantaram
okay.
Pashyamaha. First
Kena
Kriyapadam
janimahe.
is Jani Mahe. Then what
So
will
ke
be your question?
janimahe or
No.
kena janimahe.
What will be your question? Kriyapadam Jani Mahe. Anantaram Prashnaha Kim Bhavati?
Kena janimahe.
कर्मणि प्रयोगः न महोदय?
No, Janimahe is Kartari. Vayam Janimahe. Okay. So, Kena Janimahe iti Prashnam Prachamah chet. Uttaram kim bhavati Vayam. Vayam iti padam श्लोके न अस्ति.
वयं न जानीमः.
अतः यत् पदं श्लोके अस्ति तदेव उत्तररूपेण तत्र भवितव्यं किल. See, when you say अन्वय, आकांक्षाक्रमेण अन्वय, all the replies you get, they should be the words from the shloka. Vayam iti adhyahritam bhavati. Janimah iti, we know it is uttama purusha bahuvachanam. Atah vayam iti adhyahritam vayam. So that you don't ask kena janimahe, but what you can ask is,
Mahoday, if you say kena janimahe, etena janimahe, we won't be right.
No. See, janimahe, ete becomes prathama purusha kila. Janimahe iti bhavati chet, vayam janimahe is only because that is uttama purusha bahuvachanam. Atah vayam iti shabda padam अध्याहृतं भवति. अहं किं वदामि, आकांक्षाक्रमेण अन्वयः वयं कुर्मः चेत् तत्र उत्तररूपेण किमपि पदम् आगच्छति, तत् एकं पदमपि श्लोकात् एव भवति. यत् पदं श्लोके अस्ति तदेव उत्तररूपेण तत्र भवति. अतः यदपि अध्याहृतं भवति, that will not come as a reply. Because based on that akakshankramana anvayam, we are going to write the anvaya later. So anvaya will be only what are the padas which are in the shloka. Astu va? Aham iti tatra adhyahritam bhavati. Aham iti tatra shloke asti chet kena janimah iti vayam प्रष्टुं शक्नुमः. परन्तु तत्र अहम् इति पदं तत्र नास्ति, अध्याहृतं किल तत् पदम्. अतः केन जानीमः इति, if you ask the question, that vayam iti उत्तरं भवेत्. परन्तु तत् vayam, how will you accommodate it when you do the अन्वयम् of the shloka? अन्वयम् of the shloka will only contain the words which are in the shloka being rearranged. अस्तु वा? अवगतं वा इदानीं? अतः तादृशप्रश्नं वयं न पृच्छामः. परन्तु जानीमः इति भवति चेत् some other question you can ask. What that could be? किं न जानीमः? What will we not know? अस्तु वा? किम् इति पृच्छामः चेत् तस्य उत्तरः अत्र अस्ति. परन्तु how to get that answer? किं न जानीमः इति वयं पृच्छामः, तत्र किं भवति?
निरर्थकं? निरर्थकं परिहितं न जानीमहे?
न.
Only निरर्थकं.
एकनिमिषम्. ये तु घ्नन्ति निरर्थकं परिहितं ते के न जानीमहे. किं न जानीमहे इति
ते न जानीमहे.
But Parantu, who are they? I will try to translate it in English. See, in the first 3 sentences, Uttama Purushaha, Madhyama Purushaha, Adama Purushaha iti tesham vishaye uktam asti tatra. Parantu Adhamadama Purushaha api santi. Tadeva chaturtha pade tatra uktam. ये तु घ्नन्ति निरर्थकं परहितं ते के न जानीमहे. अतः न जानीमहे, actually न जानीमहे इति भवितव्यम्. So you must start क्रियापदं न जानीमहे. Then if you ask किं न जानीमहे, then you can probably say te ke na janimahe. What you do not know. Who are they? I do not know. We do not know. Understood? Because the last line, when translated, etu ghanti nirarthaham parahitam te ke na janimahe. We do not know what those people are, what to call those people are, who destroy without any reason, who destroy the welfare of others without any reason. Translated into English, that is what that last line will mean. So, ataha na janimahe. Kim na janimahe? Te ke iti na janimahe. Te ke. Then
who are they?
Who are they? Then ye Gnanti Nirarthaham Parahitam will be the answer for that. But whether we are getting it as one word or the whole thing, whether we can ask a question, because it's a bit tricky. Let us see
word by word is difficult too.
How they have done it. Okay, we will see that and we will try to repeat it and understand. After all, it is Asmad Avagamanartham eva tad bhavati kala. So you try it, then idanim vayam pashyamah.
Oh, Bhavanti is understood, I think.
Ke bhavanti.
So they have started, see. So because they started with the this thing.
First line.
First line. So, okay. Now you got the clue, know how to do it.
So that means if there is no kriya padam, you have to say asti ya
Adhyakritam
adhyakritam.
Parantu atra pashyatu tat bhavanti iti, it is given in green. So you will know that it will not come in the anvaya of the shloka. That adhyakritam bhavati. Yataha prashnam prashtavyam iti कारणेन तत्र दत्तम् अस्ति किल. अतः अत्र पश्यतु भवन्ति इति ग्रीन् के भवन्ति एते सत्पुरुषाः. But whatever words are on this side, the purple color or something, all these words are in the shloka. Astu va?
Yes.
So they will only come in the anvaya. So now you understood. Yatra kriyapadam
Mahodaya, but in kriyapadam
अध्याकृतं कृत्वा एकमेकं करके प्रश्नं पृच्छामः वयम्. उत्तररूपेण यद्यत् पदं श्लोके अस्ति तदेव उत्तररूपेण आगच्छति. प्रश्नरूपेण sometimes you have to have a word which is not in the shloka. That is okay. But यद्यत् पदं उत्तररूपेण आगच्छति तदेव अन्वये आगच्छति. यतः तत् सर्वं श्लोके भवति. This bhavanti will not come in the anvayam later. If at all, no, they will put it in the bracket saying that it's adhyakritam. Astu va? Because avagamanartham that has to be there. Astu kila? Probably in anvayam also they will show it like that. Ete tat purushaha swartam parityajya bhavanti. Swartan parityajya bhavanti te tatpurushaha bhavanti. Something like that they may show, but bhavanti they will show it in bracket in a different color. Astu va? So while writing anvayam, you can also write like that. But yadapi adhyakritam bhavati, you show it like this. Astu va? Veena Mahodaya bhavati padatu.
Okay. Bhavanti is the avagamanartham kriyapadam.
Adhyakritam.
Ye bhavanti ete satpurushaah. कीदृशाः ते परार्थघटकाः. किं कृत्वा परार्थघटकाः परित्यज्य. किं परित्यज्य स्वार्थान् परित्यज्य. Actually,
अत्र अपि किं कृत्वा परार्थघटकाः तस्यापि उत्तरं स्वार्थान् परित्यज्य इति लेखितुं शक्यते. किं परित्यज्य, यतः together also you can write, or like this also you can write. Kim krutva paratagataha parityajya. Kim parityajya swarta. Okay, that way
Swartan
also you can
parityajya.
write, or together also. Kim krutva paratagataha swartan parityajya paratagataha. Tadrishamapi lekitum shakyate. So now we got, the 4 words have come. Ete satpurusha pararthagataha swartan parityajya. So
Mahodaya, here also the Kim has to be Anuswara.
Kim correct only, no?
Kim parityajya.
Atra Kim parityajya.
Makara they have written, no
Makara
makara.
has written. Yes, yes.
It has to be
Bhakti
Kim.
Sushila Modi. Good catch, Pida Modi. Yes, good. Then
again
second
bhavanti.
line, bhavanti.
Punaha te ke bhavanti samanyaha bhavanti. Ke samanyaha udyamabhritaha. Katham udyamabhritaha swartha avirodhena. That is the second line.
Katham is what? Tritiya Vibhakti, Mahodaya. Why you have written Katham for Avirodhena?
See, Katham udyamabhritaha iti swartha avirodhena.
It has to be Kena Udyamabhritaha?
No. See, that's what I'm trying to see. Swartha virodhena para udyamabhrataha. Swartha virodhena udyamabhrataha. Astu va? So that swartha virodha is a way they act. Ataha. So just because that is tatra tritiya vibhakti asti iti, you cannot ask the question in there. You understood.
Okay.
By not doing what? So at that time, so yadapi samskrute tritiya vibhakti vibhaktyam bhavati tat, parantu that shows the way they are acting. So tadrisha samaye khatam, how? By not being. So just because swartha virodhana iti tritiya vibhaktyam bhavati chet, not necessarily that you have to ask the question in tritiya vibhakti. So that is where you have to have an understanding. So you just think, by not being against their own interest. The whole thing is how to say it. It is qualifying their act. Ataha, you can ask the katham will be better there.
Okay.
So if you say kena, see, because the whole thing is swartha virodhena udyama vrittaha is the whole thing. We are breaking it. So, astapatu, katham udyama vrittaha iti chet, swartha virodhena, tadeva tatra katham udyama vrittaha. How they are udyama vrittaha, in what way they are acting. Astu va?
Swartham
Ataha, the
avirodhena.
katham will be a better question to put. Sushila Mahodaya?
Yeah, understood, but we have to know when to use this, unless you know the meaning.
That is where the intuition comes. You have, that intuition will tell you. That is where your intuition, when you read more and more, your intuition will tell you, here this question will be better. Because I'm, to tell you frankly, I also am not able to explain it.
Okay.
But if left to myself, even in my studying days, I would have asked this type of a question. That is where your intuition, I may be wrong. I'm not able to probably explain it well. That is where your intuition.
So you should know, we should have to understand the sentence before asking the question. Then only.
Yeah. I mean, the whole exercise of this is, I mean, it's both.
It's a case of chicken and egg.
Ask questions and to understand it. You understand it and ask questions.
It's the case of chicken and
egg story.
Yeah.
So that both ways. But the more you read this type of shlokas, the more your mind processes that. And the more your mind, tells you where to put which word.
Okay.
So that will come. But it will come after some time when you have read more and more. Just by reading one shloka, you will not get. So that is where you know that actual verb, but word to word that explains, and you cannot mug it up also.
Yeah, that's
because
what
you have to understand. अत्र पश्यतु केन केन इति प्रश्नं पृच्छामः चेत् कथं भवती उत्तरं ददाति तत्र?
केन is with what it will become.
न केन इति भवती उक्तवती किल अविरोधेन इति तृतीयविभक्त्यां भवति अतः केन इति प्रश्नः किं
केन only अविरोधेन it will become.
परन्तु
they are not उद्यमभृतः.
न Swartha kena, Swartha virodena. There it doesn't make, but the whole word is Swartha virodena Udyama Brataha. Udyama Brataha iti tesham vishaye purva prashnaha abhavat. Kila? Ataha probably you can ask kena Udyama Brataha. Swartha virodena Udyama Brataha. And katam Udyama Brataha. Swartha virodena Udyama Brataha. Then you ask both the questions.
Both.
You write both. And which looks better to you. See, as you wanted, no, you write. Because the Udyama Brataha has to come in the next question.
Yes.
Because whatever the answer for the previous question is, that has
that
to
will
come
become the
as
question,
part of the next question. Ataha.
So it will be how, what type of people? Yes, what type of people you have to write.
So, see, the answer is going, you know what the answer is going to be. Swartha virodena Udyama Brataha. Okay, we'll go by your logic. Ataha, you want to ask a question, Tritiya Vibhakti. Ataha, but Udyama Brataha is the answer for the last question, correct?
Question.
Ataha, so, Bhavatyaha Vanusaram, Kena Udyama Brataha. Swartha virodena Udyama Brataha. Anantaram katam Udyama Brataha. That is a quality, that is a character.
So even if I ask Kena, I'll have to again ask Katam.
Yeah, Katam. And then you ask both the questions and you see which one sounds better to you. Yes, that is where your intuition plays a role.
Okay.
I mean, that is my way of understanding it. See, I'm not a fully qualified teacher, like, you know, I admit that. But I go by intuition. So I'm trying to tell you also that will come. See, when you read both, Katam Udyama Brataha, Kena Udyama Brataha, if you ask both the question, the answer will be the same. Swartha virodena Udyama Brataha. Then you just process it and see which sounds better.
Which sounds better. Okay.
Okay, if you ask that Kena Udyama Brataha, because it is in Tritiya Vibhakti, okay, it is not too wrong.
Okay, it won't be wrong.
There is going to be a better question.
Okay.
A better question. Astuva? So that you have to try. I'm not able to explain it because I understand it, but I'm not able to explain it.
No, it's all right.
So as long as you try that. So all this, like, you know, Chitra used to say, when coming for class, she will write all this and come. So that, you know, she is able to. So like that, if you write it, then debate within yourself which one sounds better. Astu? So that is how I think you develop an intuition also, because language many times is also intuitive, isn't it? Then you use a better word. Both the words may mean the same, but why do you choose a particular word over the other? That gives
because that's a
better this thing that gives that is more appropriate, that gives a better this thing color to the whole this thing, isn't it? So tadrishameva bhavati. Astu va? Then now
again
Sushila Mahavatya.
Bhavanti again Bhavanti. Then te ke Bhavanti. Manusha Purusha.
See, because
every line they are
describing a different person. So you ask the question, punaha te
Punaha
ke
te
bhavanti.
ke bhavanti. Again,
Because
ke
every
because
line
of
they talk
manusha
about
rakshasaha.
ataha punaha iti prashne agachiti. Punaha te ke bhavanti.
Te ke bhavanti te ami manusha rakshasaha bhavanti. Then
So
parihitam.
your question will, next question will should contain what words?
Kam manusha rakshasaha
Kam iti kaha katam bhavet?
parihitam. Or kim kam is ditiya vibhakti. Kaha kauke.
No. Te ami manusha rakshasaha. Ami manu rakshasaha should come in the question of the next. But
so I am saying, so what type parahitam swarthaya. So okay.
So what type of there it is described doing the manusha rakshasas. When you describe something, what will be the word you use?
Kidrisham.
Let us see. Okay, either
Ke
manushaha. Ke manushaha ye nignanti manushaha. Then it has to nignanti manushaha. Then it will be parahit swarthaya is chaturthi, no? So we will say kasmai no. Nignanti has to come, no, then.
Nignanti. So atra api pashyatu. See, nignanti iti prathama vibhaktyam abhavat. Anantaram dvitiya vibhaktyam kimapi atra asti va iti
parahitam.
अतः अत्र प्रश्नं किं भवति प्रश्नः किं भवति तत्र
So come how can you come nignanti parahitam nignanti won't come, no?
किं परहितं निघ्न ये निघ्नन्ति किं इति नपुंसकलिङ्गं
किं निघ्नन्ति
किं परहितं निघ्नन्ति अनन्तरं पश्यतु दिस् सेण्टेन्स् यू टेक् सेपरेट्लि स्वार्थाय परहितं निघ्नन्ति So this one minute. So tatra nignanti iti kriyapadam asti. Anantaram prathama vibhaktyam अथवा द्वितीय विभक्त्यां क्या अस्ति इति दृष्टवन्तः द्वितीय विभक्त्याम् अस्ति एकमेव पदं शेषं भवति तत् स्वार्थाय अतः तत्र परहितं
Oh, that's why can you say
स्वार्थाय इति चतुर्थ्यां भवति
so but kasya parahitam no kasmai parahitam swarthaya
किमर्थं निघ्नन्ति अथवा
किमर्थं
because see ये निघ्नन्ति के
किमर्थं is also chaturthi, correct.
परहितं निघ्नन्ति किमर्थं निघ्नन्ति स्वार्थाय अस्तु वा so निघ्नन्ति परहितं निघ्नन्ति स्वार्थाय परहितं अतः निघ्नन्ति परहितं निघ्नन्ति स्वार्थाय परहितं निघ्नन्ति के निघ्नन्ति किं निघ्नन्ति किमर्थं निघ्नन्ति understood then next sentence
then gnanti no
no tatra you can take bhavanti
no we can say janimahe no
na janimahe then we get
के न जानीमहे ते के
न जानीमहे so
ते के न जानीमहे
किं न जानीमहे
किं न जानीमहे sorry किं न जानीमहे के न जानीमहे so वयं न जानीमहे
अत्र पश्यतु वयम् इति अध्याहृतम् यतः इदं पदम् अन्वये न आगच्छति अस्तु वा
then how can you ask this vayam as question then
के न जानीमः वयं न then you can ask वयं किं न जानीमहे
किं न जानीमहे Then it
So
be teke.
you need not even ask Vayam there, because the minute you put Jani Mahai, it shows that it is Uttama Purusha
Uttama
Bahuvachan.
Purusha.
Vayameva. In Sanskrit, that is a
Understood.
great this thing. Like, just by the thing and thumb, you will know whether what Uttama Purusha, Madhyama Purusha, whatever it is, whatever number, everything will know. Atah kim na jani mahe.
Kim na jani teke.
So अतः तत्र वयम् इति लेखनीयम् इति अवश्यं न
Anabhav.
अत्रापि पश्यतु वयम् इति if at all you write this, you have to put it in a bracket, because this will not come in the अन्वय. अस्तु वा? किं न जानीमहे.
Kim ne jaha teke na teke.
Actually, here also you can put it as teke iti in bracket. Who they are, who they are. I mean, as you understand.
But teke is in the sloka itself, no?
Itself. But iti you can put it in adhyahartham.
Iti.
Who they are.
Okay.
Suppose you say in Tamil, ava yarunnu namakku theriyala. When you say it in
Tamil. Correct.
So like that, if you want, you can put iti in the bracket.
Okay.
And that will not come in the shloka. When you write the anvaya, that will not come. So, yadapi padam shlokena asti, tad adhyahartham bhavati, tadrishameva lekaniya. Astu va? Because we have to, for forming this thing, we need that word. Anantaram shloke anvaya lekana samaya tatra nam likamaha vayam. Astu va?
Then we will say teke kim na janimahe.
Kim na
Teke kim na janimahe parahitam.
No. Teke
What did they not know?
एक निमिषं तेके किं न जानीमः इति न आगच्छति किल तेके इति प्रथमपुरुषे भवति. So that जानीमः will not come. के ते के or के ते. So teke अथवा के ते. Who are they?
Who are teke? So te
Nignanti.
Ye nignanti.
See, teke who they are. Then who are they? So you can ask kete also. Kete or teke. Either way it is the same. That is one advantage in Sanskritam. You can write the word anywhere. You will still get the meaning. Teke. Then ye gnanti.
Ye gnanti. Then parahitam has to come. Parahitam is
so question, in the question gnanti has to come.
Gnantu.
So parahitam iti uttaram bhavati. Astu va?
Kim. Kim na gnanti.
Kim. Te kim gnanti.
Gnanti. Kim
te kim gnanti.
na gnanti. So parahitam. Kidrisham parahitam nirarthakam.
कीदृशं परहितं. No. कीदृशं परहितम् इति प्रश्नः पृच्छामः चेत् कीदृशम् इति परहितस्य विशेषणः भवति. परन्तु we want an adverb there.
Adverb.
So for that, if you get the adverb, then
you can
type
again
of question,
say Kim parahitam. Katham. Okay.
See, when you want to have an adverbial clause like, then katham question agachiti.
Okay.
Katham parahitam gnanti nirartakam. See, that nirartakam parahitam, that nirartakam is, it's like an adverb. So,
understood.
So for that, you have to have a question of an adverb in the question.
What type of? What type of? Okay.
See, what type is kim, that also bhavati. Parantu, that is an adverb. Adverb, where it governs a verb, isn't it?
Verb. So, yeah.
Here also a little of intuition and a little of grammar. This thing.
Can you also say kimartakam parahitam gnanti?
Also. Kimartam parahitam gnanti. Yeah, kimartam. Katam kimartam. Both will be. Kimartam also, no?
Kimartam is for adjective, right?
No. Kimartam iti.
How?
But that is where here
Okay.
that katam will be better. Nirartakam nanti, because the finally it the verb is what is involved there. No, that is why it's an adverb. So kimartam iti I think for nirartakam iti bhavati kila, atah katam will be a better.
Okay.
Katam will be. See, suppose swartaya iti bhavati chet. Then you can ask kimartam.
Correct.
And nirartakam iti chet katam. So sorry, I'm not able
That's
to
that means
fully explain it.
Adjective mostly it has to be for
Yeah.
yeah, it has to be correct.
So kimartam. So nirartakam. That's an adverbial thing, sounding word, no, adverb like word. So kimartam, katam. So I think I've conveyed what I felt intuitively. I'm not able to fully put it in grammatical parlance because I'm still not there to explain it. So, but I think I've conveyed the meaning and you've got the hang of it.
Astu.
Shishla Mahodaya, I think so. अन्वयः अत्र पश्यतु इदानीम् अन्वयं पठामः चेत् स्पष्टं भवति वीणा महोदय भवती फर्स्ट यू रीड द फर्स्ट टू लाइन्स सुशीला महोदय रीड द सेकंड टू
अन्वयः ये स्वार्थान् परित्यज्य परार्थघटकाः ये ते सत्पुरुषाः ये स्वार्थान् स्वार्थ अविरोधेन परार्थम् उद्यमभृतः ते तु सामान्याः
सुशीला महोदय भवती पठतु सुशीला महोदय पठतु थर्ड लाइन
ये स्वार्थाय परिहितं निघ्नन्ति ते अमि मानुष्य राक्षसाः ये तु परहितं निरर्थकं घ्नन्ति ते के न जानीमि.
Now you understood, no? Now after reading this Anvaya, you again go back to the Akanksha Kramena Anvaya and have both of them side by side
and compare.
See, like this, if one shloka you understand well, any shloka will be able to do. Now you got you sort of
understood.
Avagatam kile idani. So prashnah katam what type of a question we should ask depending on the answer and also especially the katam on this adverb
katam and kimartam is always a bit where
so katam is always an adverb how kimartam is what for there the noun will come understood katam is how kimartam is what for understood so katam like that you can I mean probably some mistakes will come here and there but slowly you will get the full hang of it tatparyam वीणा महोदय भवती पठतु
तात्पर्यम् अस्मिन् लोके चतुर्विधाः मनुष्याः भवन्ति मनुष्याः भवन्ति ये जनाः स्वप्रयोजनं विहाय अन्येषाम् it is covered
उपकारं कुर्वन्ति एतादृशाः जनाः
सज्जनाः ये स्वकार्यस्य परिबाधनं विना अन्येषां साहाय्यं कुर्वन्ति ते प्राकृतमानुषाः एव
they are normal people that is mostly 75-80% of the people are like that okay 50% of the people are like that sometimes 10% will be the first this thing then comes the this thing Sushila Mahodaya bhavati patatu
अन्येषाम् अपकारं कुर्वन्ति
ये स्वकार्यकारणेन that is swartham swarthaya स्वकार्यकारणेन पठतु
अन्येषाम् अपकारं कुर्वन्ति तादृशाः जनाः मनुष्यरूपेण असुराः भवन्ति किन्तु तथोपि
अधमाः
अधमाः ये
निष्कारणम् अत्र पश्यतु निष्कारणम् इति it is like an adverb निष्कारणं पीडयन्ति
निरर्थकम् इस् निष्कारणम्
अन्यान्
पीडयन्ति एतादृशाः जनाः कीदृशाः इति वयं न अवगच्छामः
अत्र पश्यतु बिट्वीन् द सेकेण्ड् अण्ड् थर्ड् स्वकार्यस्य परिबाधनं विना अन्येषां साहाय्यं कुर्वन्ति अतः ये अपि स्वकार्यं पश्यन्ति स्वकार्यं स्वार्थाः एव परन्तु अन्येषां साहाय्यमपि कुर्वन्ति परन्तु the third type of people स्वार्थाय अन्यान् बाधयन्ति they अपकारं the second one they also look at their welfare उपकारं कुर्वन्ति the third type is स्वकार्याय अन्येषाम् अपकारं कुर्वन्ति अस्तु वा उपकारम् अपकारम् and the fourth without any reason whether they are getting any benefit or not their aim is only to trouble others so what do I call them what to call them we do not know iti Kavi is very very sad about the state of affairs astu idani you all have your that answers for that
questions no
Veena Mahodaya,
some only some I could get.
Okay, we'll see. So this I will stop sharing. I will.
This lesson is Naradasya Agamanam is first lesson, I think. No? Let me check.
I think Shishupalavatam.
One second.
Only. We will read it in the next class.
Oh.
I don't know today why Radhika, nobody, Krishnan Mahodaya also didn't come. No, they all did send message also. Why?
Yeah, it's the lesson number 1 only.
Yeah. Why they have not come? So they have not bothered to send a message also. And, anyway, this I will stop sharing. I will try to share that. I don't know. From
if Neera Mahodaya also has the book, we can do it from the book itself, Mahodaya.
No. We are not reading this, Mahodaya.
Okay.
I am trying to do that answer
exercise.
Exercise.
Oh, this one. Okay.
You have that with you, that exercise. Atra pashyatu. Ahmapi itra. अत्र पश्यतु अस्ति वा
Mahodaya
एकनिमिषं that other this thing why it is not the other thing you are seeing in the background
no and the first question in this is Manas plus Isha yeah correct.
How did you write their answer?
I have written Manisha, but I didn't know what it is called as.
Okay, so you whatever you've written, You write the answer also, copy from here. Then afterwards we will try to discuss.
Mahodaya, let me, it's not zooming. Pararupa it is.
Pararupa.
Pararupam.
But I don't think we did this Pararupa, right?
Pararupa. Then second one, at least padam
Also that prejate. That is also Pararupa I have written.
I thought it was Yanasandhi.
I also first thought that when I did this Manasisha, then I came to know it could be, because pra is also a upasarga.
Okay.
That is where, in fact, that's why I told you to watch those videos. I remember I had sent you a link.
Yes, those videos are very...
That video is amazing. But you have to watch it again. So much of information is there. So what I wanted, just write it, because this is from there, because the answers are ready. I thought you write it down and then compare also. If you watch the video, it will be at least useful for you. So the third one what have you written?
Third I have written as Pujarha Varisudhana.
Yeah, Pujarha Varisudhana.
Pujarha Varisudhana. So
and I have written then Anti Yantavanta.
That is what Yantavanta Avadesha.
Yantavanta Avade.
Okay.
Veena Mahodaya, you say one, I will say.
Okay. Then fourth one, Veena.
Fourth one is Shivehi. I had written Shivaihi.
I also written Shivaihi. Because I thought Shiv plus A plus A will become.
Yeah, I thought
I think this comes as that exception. It comes in the exception. What I suggest is, right now you just write down whatever the sandhi is. And then try to go over.
This is also Pararupa there.
So what I want you to do is write the answers. Then you watch the video and see how it is.
Mahodaya, but the Shivehi, there is no upasarga, no? So how did it come as Pararupa?
So see, it comes, that's what I'm saying. No, I also didn't go through the thing fully. I've been very busy. So what I want you to do is
can you share this to us?
That is, I don't know how to share that, because it is from their website. The previous thing was a link, so I could
copy paste. You can do this.
No, this is a PDF. I cannot copy paste.
Okay.
Now we will do half an hour. Maybe you write it down.
Yeah, I tried that.
Go through the video once again. Because my idea is, first, whatever our lessons are there, that I'll finish. That 40 classes I have to finish. Anantaram, sameha asti chet vayam etat sat kurmah. We will do it. No problem. But you keep all this ready with you and watch the video.
Okay.
See, because these are all the exception ones she has given.
Okay.
That is the speciality of this exercise. That is why I wanted you. Then Sushila Mahodaya.
Glai plus ati, glayati, it is Yantavanta.
So she has written Aya Dasha. You write like that only and then go through the video.
Okay.
Aya Dasha it is.
Yeah.
Then, but both means the same, right?
Yeah. Avadeshaha, Ayadeshaha.
Then if I write, in the exam, if I write Yantavanta, it is not wrong.
That is right. Correct. But because it is, Aya has come.
Okay.
So, Avadeshaha.
I think in the video also she had said that you can call it Yantavanta.
Yeah, she has explained it. That is why you write now, just write the answers. Because next class I may not share this. So we will finish this.
Okay.
So what I suggest, don't ask too many questions. Just write down.
Okay.
Then Anantaram Pashyamaha.
3 plus Akyo is Striakyo.
You've written it correctly?
Yeah, I wrote Striakyo, but I didn't know which Sunday it was.
Because Rakara, Rekha, becomes Rakara.
So Ayadesha. No, sorry, Yan Sandhi. Then next one,
Bimbaushtaha Vriddhi.
Bimbaushtaha, when you write, it becomes Vriddhi. It also Bimbaushtaha when it is Pararupam. Another thing is also
Pararupam.
Okay. Subha? And then 1 minute. Then
Dvishavahai plus Artim is Dvishavahayartim. Ayadeshah.
That correct you have written, no? Dvishavahayartim.
But I didn't know. How did you declare?
I just started Dvishavahai, and then I didn't know how to complete it. I left it.
How can we decline? I mean, how is it written? Dvishavaha.
Dvishavahayartim. So in today's class, if you have not written, you just copy the answer. You write, copy the Sandhi Nama. Keep it up record. Keep the record, and then we will look at it later. And with this answer ready, and if you watch the video,
can you hear me, Mahodaya?
You will understand the way. You wrote, no? Shishira Mahodaya?
Yeah.
Vishavahayartim.
Dvishavahayartim.
Okay. And next one.
Pitrodasham.
Pitradesham. Adesham.
Pitradesham Yad Sandhi. Or Savarna Dirgha Sandhi. I wrote both. I didn't know what.
No, it is Yan only.
Yeah. Pitradesham.
Yeah.
Okay. But how it is done, I am not able to again.
Now, Sushila Mahodaya, we will not go into
Okay. Sorry. Okay.
You just write it down.
Okay.
Vayam Anantaram Pashyamaha.
Okay.
I may not be able to share this once
Okay.
again.
Okay.
Then just write it down. And then we Anantaram Pashyamaha.
2 plus evam tvevam. Yanasandhi.
Again it went off.
Shishra Mahodaya.
Ekanimsham Mahodaya, where is it? 2 plus eva. Yanasandhi. Okay, I've written. Bho anam purva rupa sandhi. Bhavanam. Okay.
See, these are all come under those exceptions. If you have watched the video with the answers written, go and watch the video once again.
Okay.
Then the understanding becomes much, because those videos are very treasure house, so much she has explained so beautifully.
Oh, I have written. Correct. I've written as Bhavanam only. Correct. Bhavanam.
Avadesha. Then Veena Mahodaya.
Then Nirikshe plus Aham. Niriksheham Purva Rupam.
That avargam you have written, no?
Avargaja.
That is important. Avargachinna you have to. Then Sushila Mahodaya.
Then lo yam. I have written as a lavyam. Vriddhi.
Lavyam. Avadesha.
And then Nashe plus Ami is Nashayami.
Ayadesha.
And that is Ayadesha.
Then ka plus o. Kaum. Vriddhi sandhi.
I think these are all come under the special Kom Pararupam. If you have written Vriddhi Sandhi, below that you write this as the answer. Anantaram Pashyama. Then Veena Mahodaya Bhavati Patatu.
Go plus Ishaha, Gaveshaha, which is Avangadeshaha plus Gunaha. Gavishaha is Avadeshaha.
That is
Avadeshaha.
So there is Gavishaha.
Yeah, I had written Gavishaha.
Two forms are there, Gaveshaha and Gavishaha.
Gaveshaha I've written. And I've written it as
Gavishaha PST. So these are all the special examples which she has given there.
Okay.
The class, the video.
Okay, Gavisha is also Yantavanta. Okay. Jayam Yantavanta.
Jayam plus Jayam.
Okay,
Jayam.
I have written Jayam, but that is Jayam.
Ayadesha.
Then go
Veena
plus
Mahodaya.
agram is Gavagram is Avagandeshaha plus Savarna Dirgha. Or go.
Okay.
Gogram is Purva Rupam. Or there is Go Agram is Prakriti Bhava plus
Okay, 3 is it.
Ayadesha.
So out of the 3, even if you write 1, it's all right, right?
See, right now these are all will not come in our your Maalatee this exam. Just for you to learn. So
Okay.
this is not for the Siksha exam. Okay. Siksha exam madhye tat sarvam because she is given very special sandhi for the other exam, Vichakshana exam, you know, so the Chittur.
Okay.
So this advance will not come for Maalatee. So don't think about the exam.
Okay.
This is for you to know. Later on, when you study further, you know, you will be at least armed with a little knowledge of this. Huh? Because you people were not able to enroll for the class. No, I told you to enroll. You said
Yes, I couldn't. We didn't have time.
Yeah, that's why. No,
Next year, possibly, I will do it.
So what I thought, you know, at least because these are all very beautifully she has explained. Sandhi is the basic thing which we should know. So I thought, you know, I will share this with you so that whenever you find time, you just go over it and try to understand more.
Yeah.
And then with that, then go gram over, no? Then
I've written the Karkandaha Savarna Dirgha, but it looks as Karkandaha.
Because that karka, it comes under a special this thing.
That is
all this
that
and
is
that
Pararupa.
exception, this thing. That is why many questions are based on that. That's why I shared this. If it is a normal sandhi, no, it's okay, you will know. But these are all the special rules. Veena Mahodaya.
Go plus yam is Gavyam Avadeshaha.
If you written the answer right and you didn't know what sandhi it was, you just copy the sandhi name. Or if you not
I've
got the
written
answer
Gavayam.
also.
Okay, Gavayam I had written, it is Gavyam. Okay. Anyway, and second question.
Gavyam is right, Avadesh. Gavyam is right.
I've written as Gavyam.
Gavyam, no, okay.
Gavyam.
Then next one.
It is second. Third question is, this question, this we have not done.
You didn't do.
No, this was not there, no? Have you done it, Veena Mahodaya?
Yeah, and I've tried. I could not get it, but
No, it is there. The whole question paper I shared with you.
Oh, I think I missed this.
Okay.
Okay, we'll just copy it.
Okay.
1 second. I think I'll take a picture of it. 1 second.
Okay, you take a picture. That will be better. Veena Mahodaya bhavati api tadrishameva karotu. Take a picture.
Yeah.
And then
yeah.
I will go to the next one. No.
That way we can learn it afterwards.
Something was left?
Yeah, I think a little bit was left.
Patanjali? This also I left, I think. I think one slide full I have left.
Te me Patanjali, this is what you did. In that, you know, there are 16. Shivaya Namaha Taka Agatamba, photo madhye.
No, Madhya, I take it. No, again.
Now from 3 to 16. Now 3 to 16. Because everything it doesn't come. I don't know how to.
No, it's all right. I have taken 2 pictures, no, so it's all right.
So this is over, no? Then we'll go to the next one.
Te Ami, that is. Te Ami I have done.
Oh, this is what this is what we did, no, just now, Vidani.
Then I've done this. Sorry, I've done this. Te plus Ami Purva Rupa. Okay. Patan plus
Anjali.
I have written as Patan because Nakara I thought it is.
Sorry, I seem to be increasing the size of the font and the same thing is.
It's all right, Mahodaya. It is actually good if you are increasing.
Okay. No. I wanted to go to the next
page.
No.
Mahodaya, I've done this also. Okay. Anyway, I can check it afterwards. Yeah, with the photo.
Okay,
Yeah, I think we'll take the pictures of all
Yes,
the pages.
Mahodaya, that is an easier option. We will take the pictures.
Yeah.
And check it.
So that after 16, this is what comes. Tasya yodanam.
Tasya yodanam.
No, probably this I'll make slightly bigger for you. Okay, so this you take a picture. Up to
this
3.
I'll take it. Yeah.
Up to 3, no? Ship.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Done?
Yes. Done.
Okay. Then, what was the last number? This is starting from
16.
8.
16
No.
it is. 20. 20 is the last number.
No. Previous my last number, what was that? 3 only, no? Ship
3.
Yeah, 3. Ship
then
3.
After that, 4 has to come, no?
Yeah.
4. Let me see. Then why it is coming?
It starts with 8.
8. So let me see. अत्र पश्यतु एकनिमिषम्.
Oh, there you have to make it a bit down.
You take the photo from 4 to 11. Shall to prach.
Yeah.
Prach.
Then I will go to from 12 to whatever is there in there.
Yeah, that we get.
20. Sneh.
Last is bridge, no?
Sneh.
Sweet.
Sneh.
Last is here snake.
Sneh here. I think that is the last of the question. So that finishes.
And this is all that good. This also.
Atara pashyatu. एतदपि अस्ति किल तत्र?
अस्ति.
तदपि
They didn't actually, I didn't know Sinjantah, Munjamah, that and all I didn't know.
That up to 11.
This is up till 20, no? This is up till 20.
Yeah, up to 20 it is.
11.
Only up till 11 years. So one more page.
One more page. I think that is the last of the exercise.
Yes.
Okay. Good. So actually first itself we should have done that. It is okay.
It's okay. But I think we have attempted. That is, I mean, at least 70 or 80% of it is right. So I was
what I'm
worried.
saying now, because what she had given all the exception ones. So now with the answers with you, you again go through the video once again. Even I have to go through. I have not been finding time. No, because next month I'm leaving. A lot of work is there. So then you will be better equipped to understand.
Okay.
Yes, so I'll stop sharing. So now I think we will close the class. That Shishupala we will read in the next class.
Okay.
Sarve bhavantu sukhinah, sarve santu niramayah, sarve bhadrani pashyantu, ma kaschid dukkha bhag bhavet. Om Shanti शांति शांति हरिः ओम श्री गुरुभ्यो नमः हरिः ओम अस्तु महोदय
महोदय
एकनिमिषम् I will stop recording, then whatever we need to talk we'll talk.